Okay.
Hello, hello, hello. How are you?
Hello.
How you
Good.
doing?
How are you?
I'm
Good.
from
How are
India.
you?
I'm from India.
I am from America.
America is nice,
Yay.
nice. What's your good name?
My name? Um, my name's Katie.
Are you a fallen angel?
What?
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Are you a fallen angel?
Oh, thank you.
You look so pretty.
Thank you.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है
Seriously, I've never seen such a pretty girl. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Who is that another one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Hold on. I need a goggle. I cannot open my eye. Oh my god.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Yeah, because my mom would catch me when I'm like ages.
Hello.
Hello.
Namaskar. So where are you from?
Connecticut.
You look so pretty.
Thank you.
And your eyes, oh my god. Amazing.
Thanks.
What's your good name?
Nothing.
You look like Katy Perry. Do you know Katy Perry?
Yeah.
You look like Katy Perry. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
What's up? Where are you from?
Illinois.
Come on, sing a song.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है
Sing a song?
Yeah.
Oh god. I have to?
Yes. You look like a
I hate
Katy Perry.
singing.
You look like Katy Perry.
Me?
No, sorry. Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande?
Yeah. What's your name?
Let's see.
And another one?
Bethany. This is Bethany.
Bethany. Oh, why are you hiding? Oh, what happened?
Wait, what? I don't know.